Hello everybody, Rudy here from Take a Bath Productions. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the vents in an ASTRO van. What this one is doing is the air conditioning or fan or heat or whatever only comes out of the defrost and the floor, and I can't get it to come out of the regular vents. So I'm going to show you what's wrong with that. This one here happens to be a 2005, but I think it's a pretty common problem throughout quite a few years. So if you have that problem, it's worth checking this first, because this looks like a pretty easy fix to me. When I first looked under the hood, I did remove the air cleaner box and the hose that goes to the intake, just for a little bit more room. But I noticed that this hose was just laying there just like that. Now I'm going to show you where this, here's the air conditioning parts here. Alright, it goes over here, see that? And then that goes up into the dash right here, see? But it was just laying right there. Now, you want to know, where does that go? Alright, I'm going to show you. I don't have a tripod, so if this is shaky, there's no way to put the camera on the tripod and be able to get in here and show you this. So please bear with the shakiness. And I've got a little flashlight here to try to show you what I'm looking at. See that? Man. It's right there. Can you see the end of that hose right there? My hand is too big and it's blocking the camera. It's right there. Okay, it broke off from that, and it's just a rubber hose. Here, I'll show you the end of this. It's just a rubber hose that has a plastic hose in the end of it that's broke off right there. So my idea is the hose is probably long enough. Why can't I just cut that off and then re-stick it back on the other end of the hose? That's a simple fix. And let me get up under there a little bit better. I can't show you where the other end goes because the camera won't go down in there at the right angle. But if you follow, yeah, I can't get it in there. If you follow that hose, there's not that much left of it, and it's got a little 90 on the end of it, and it hooks on. I don't know. I can't show it to you. But you can see where it's broke off at. It goes up under there. Damn. I wish I could show you where the other end goes in case yours doesn't break in the same spot. But it's right there, almost on top of the valve cover behind the air conditioner compressor is where it goes. Alright, I'm going to fix that, and then I'll come back and show you my fix and let you know that it is working. So I'm going to pause the video for a few minutes and I'll be back. Alright, welcome back. I'm just coming back here for a minute. I tried my idea of cutting the end of the hose off and then reattaching it to the vacuum line, and that would work, except for the fact that that vacuum line is so brittle it just won't hold up. Alright, so I'm going to run to the parts store and see what they got to fix that with. And it's too short because I had to cut about 2 or 3 inches off of that, you know, to get back to a part that wasn't quite as brittle, and now it's just too short. But that's what the end of it looks like. So it's not that long, and I've been trying to show you exactly where it goes, but I just can't get to it. But it looks like it's right on top of the intake, and it's got a port on the side of it. That's the best I can tell you. Alright, you'll see it back there because it'll have something broke off. So just look behind the air conditioner compressor and that's where you'll find it. Hey guys, I just want to show you what I did before I put this back. I think it's a better fix than the factory line. It didn't need much, and it reaches. See, the rubber hose part isn't brittle. It was this hard plastic that was sticking in the end, like this end. See that? It's got that hard plastic. That's the part that got brittle. So I didn't even have to go to the store. I found a roll of steel brake line, and I looked at that and I was like, man, that might work. So it's a little bit big, so you might have to put a little dab of soap on it to get it over the hose, but it's tight and it won't leak, and that steel is never going to go bad in 1,000 years, so that's a better fix to me. And then this, of course, is rubber on the end here, right there, so that's not brittle. So anyway, that's what I did, and I already checked and it reaches, so you didn't need a whole lot there. Alright, so I'm going to put it back and test the vents. Alright guys, welcome back. I got it all back together. We're going to find out together if this thing works. I have no idea. I haven't tested it yet. So if it doesn't work, I'm going to scrap the video, because there ain't no sense in putting it on there if it don't work. So if the video's on there, then you know it worked. There goes my wife riding her bike. Let's see what we got. Alright. Do we have vents? Yeah. We got vents. Awesome. I'm happy. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, click on the like button. If you like the video, also you can subscribe to me. I put up regular videos every week or so. Thanks a lot. Bye.